welcome back to my channel. Today I'm traveling from Kalimpong to Nokdara. The meaning of Nokdara, actually even I don't know because it's my first time that I'm traveling. But Nok, the real meaning I don't know. But then Dara means it's a hill. So I'm traveling from Kalimpong right now. I'm walking all the way from home till my vehicle comes. We have booked a cab to go. It's around 3 to 4 hours away from here. So right now I'm wearing this sweatshirt type of thing from inside, and then I'm wearing this jacket from outside for my safety. I have also carried one hoodie so that I don't feel so cold on the way. Okay, so my vehicle is already here. We have booked. If you see, like smaller ones, it does not go because the road condition is literally this way all the way. So yeah, we're going on this vehicle. Look at the way I have traveled. Like it's literally a dry river kind of road. All this way I have traveled see this. And then like we have taken a big rotation from that side. You can see the river. I have crossed that river with the car and I have come and we have parked over there. The place, so I have the entry over here. So once I reach, let me show you how exactly the video is. I mean the place is. It's actually a lake. I thought it's going to be a hill or somewhere because the name itself was Nokdara, which also means hill. So let me show you the place. Is the lake and we are going for a boating over there. We have parked the vehicle here. This is the parking lane. So there my family is already walking, leaving me. See. So this was a small journey from Kalimpong to Nokdara. I didn't know this was a lake actually because none of us had been over here. While traveling over here, we literally were asking around for the place where exactly it is, and as you have already seen how the roads were like literally crossing the river. So we are going back from the same lane again before it gets dark. It's only 4:30 right now, but then by 5 o'clock you don't know how dark it gets over here. For a boating on the lake. So we have reached a bit late today because they say they're closing by 4:30 and we have reached here like it's 4:10 already. So we said we are not going to leave until we finish our things because we have come all the way from a very long distance. If you feel cold while coming over here, you have a very good exercise. This, it can make you warm over. So this was the place. We have done boating and we have walked around. Like it's not so much as expected as for me because I come from a plain side, although I'm born in hilly area. So I had expected there will be a hills and all, but then it's nice. I think boating was a good warm-up I did over here because it's literally cold. I think the temperature is around 15 to 18 degree and I'm just with my jacket, but it's not so cold because I'm used to, because the place where I live over there it's like sometime 12 degree and maybe less than that. So I think being around 18 temperature, 18 degrees Celsius is a normal climate. So we just had some snacks right now over here. The name of the restaurant you can see. Where is it? Okay, the name of the restaurant is the Lakeview Restaurant Lodging Facility, also available. You can contact them on this number if you ever visit to this place. So being in the hill station is really cold for me, so I end my vlog over here. Till then, for the next video, take care, bye bye, and lots of love.